Mr. Big Showtime. You been gone since round 4, did you forget your time? You acting like you didn't know, did you forget your mind? And what's the problem? You forget your line. It's a shame, it's a crime, it's a motherfucking tragedy. Pull up to the club like your motherfucking majesty. Tipping on them strippers and I bet them bitches raggedy. Somebody had to tell you, so you should just be glad as me. Spending money happily, but when you're broke, you're frowning. Every dollar that I spend, I gotta hear your mouth. And still play it cool when you say you're going out. If you got it, make it rain, then I pray them bitches drowning. Man, I swear you're clowning. Stunting for these niggas as your pockets getting smaller. Is your ego getting bigger? If that's what it takes for you to stay home and off them strippers, then I hope it fucking rains until these streets turn into rivers and it rain all night. Cause he be making it rain all night. Tipping these strippers and impressing his niggas. And when he get home, he deduct all his figures. And can you imagine how bad that it feels to have to be his wife? So here's hoping it rains. Cause he got it, girl, do we got it? The bags is filled with 50s, but the hundreds in his wallet. And I know that'll throw it at me if I go and pop it. But how much do you think you'll give me if I split and drop it low? Drop it low. Back that ass up on the floor. Look him in the eyes while I rap. My legs around the pole. Break it down and make it roll. Speed it up then take it slow. Make him feel like he just fucked me now. He never touched me though. I know that he got a wife. Sometimes he say he gotta go. Just cause I take your cash don't mean she gotta know. This could really be something. I mean, you never know. I'll just give you dances and you just give me dough. And even though a dance is something you can get at home, I bet your wife can't make her ass clap or make her booty roll. And all your niggas watching, so you best put on a show. Fuck making it pour. You better make it thunderstorm and rain all night. Cause he be making it rain all night. Tipping these strippers and impressing his niggas. And when he get home, he deduct all his figures. And can you imagine how bad that it feels to have to be his wife? So here's hoping it rains all